Angel, next question since nasa LA tayo. Okay ba ang dating dito as a trans woman? Wow! Well, I've been single for almost 3 years now. Oh my God! So, ang hirap kong sagutin yung question na yan. It's okay. I would say it's okay. It's okay is better than not okay, di ba?
Definitely, I think so. Marami namang ding mas open, I guess. So, yun ang maganda dito sa America at saka dito sa LA. May mga open naman din talaga na willing sila. And unfortunately lang, I guess, depende rin sa standards mo. So, kung gusto mo lang magka-boyfriend, for sure madaling magka-boyfriend. Pero, kung gusto mo ng quality people, ang mahirap sa LA, para siyang Manila na malalayo yung mga places. So, minsan, talagang mahirap mag-drive to date.